Your car? Yeah.
Nice. We're standing. Yeah. We're going to go for a drive.
Okay, cool.
I never know.
No problem. The engine light,
Yeah.
and then I I swapped the oxygen sensors because it's coming to swap it.
Right.
But then I supposed to take the car to the shop, and I called the guy, and then I told him, you know what, I reset the engine light. And I've been waiting for the light to come back on, but it never did.
Never
So
did.
it's been about 3 weeks. I drove about 300 miles.
What's your name, by the way?
Jaime.
Hi, Mick. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Like dabbling into different kinds of cars. You have multiple cars, or just like your only car?
I have a Toyota, Camry.
Oh, okay, nice. Got a quick little misfire. Cylinder 6.
Yeah, I was working my
You're saying useful information,
But I guess the 174 it's been fixed. It's just that I have a misfire. In the morning kind of shakes for a minute, but with the misfire, it's not gonna pass the test.
It may. It's hard to say. I usually will fail if it's just a light come on.
Okay.
Right. In some cases, it don't fail for a pending code. Right. I heard people say it can, but I never seen it. Right. But I think that should pass though. I think that should pass. Even for pending code, it should still pass. But if it comes on, that light comes on again, it's gonna fail.
Right.
You're trying to erase the codes.
No, I'm not trying.
No, you actually erase the code.
He asked me,
That's
so I'm not-
he'd be at that point. He would be so screwed. You would set him back 3 months. You erase answer the question. You did not erase the code, right?
No, I asked the question. He said to me, "Come on, erase the code." And then this guy said no. So I'm clarifying between these two.
Ain't no light on. If you erase that, all those monitors go red. And he's screwed. Not him. He's screwed again.
That was a learning question.
Let me take that from you.
That was a learning question. You see, it's a learning question.
I'm just playing with you. No.
This car is fast, it's stable. I like it. It's a little gas, but it's nice.
It's a good 6-banger, you know,
Oh,
6-cylinder. It's a good balance.
Yeah, very good.
Y'all the jokesmen right here. I need a mic for you guys up real quick.
You want me to scrub stuff that's not mine? I'm not taking off stuff that's not mine, man.
It's not yours, but you're using it.
No. He gave it to me like this, man. I'm not trying to.
You're using it. You grab it from Mr. Davis, man. Just take care of it.
I'm just trying to put it back the way he gave me.
You guys are come.
I'm not here to remove shit. All right. You tell me a while ago, said, "Hey, delete the code." You said delete the code. You know what you said?
I want to check that. Took collision repair. Collision repair, yeah. What's that?
What the test time?
So it's how much you said it is?
You know the time. What time is the start?
Oh, it was from like 8 a.m. to like 1. Every day, every day. They let you bring in your own projects, like your own cars and stuff. So I went for a year. So I took it, and then from there I started working into the field. More beneficial if you get certified because you can just go straight to the work field. It's up to you though. That's what I did though. At the same time, trying to help people too. I want people to like get help with their cars and just not get scammed, bro. Because there's like so many people that get scammed in this industry, and I'm just like, bro, exactly, yeah. Because it's hard to trust nowadays, like.
Yeah, you're right.
So, got to keep it real with people, Appreciate you. He's the comedian of this guy. He really is. Honestly, super chill dude. Came through with his Beamer, showed us like the issues that he had. I'm pretty much just filming everything for you guys, bro. Like anything that we do in class, anything that we gonna touch or like work on, bro, I'm just recording it for y'all. So hope you guys enjoy this video. All right, bro. Yet another day, another school vlog. Like, it honestly feels good. So, you know, I really hope whoever's tuning in into these videos, like, I really hope that they're useful and valuable, because like this was just an idea that I ran off the top of my head, and like I'm honestly having fun doing it. So yeah, man, that's it for the video. If you guys enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up. Lates.